To access your invoices and payment information, click on Payment or Invoices directly from the dashboard. Here you can view and download all the available invoices, check the amount of the invoices, see whether it has been already paid out to you or if it's still in our escrow account. Check whether the payment was released to you and open the chat room with selected brand just by clicking Open under Conversation column. You can also filter your invoices by the status of the payment by clicking on Status. Please note other possible payment statuses you will see in some cases. Awaiting payment. Payment has not been made yet and is awaiting completion. In escrow. Payment has been made and funds are being processed by Sewport before being paid out. In escrow, partially paid out. Payment has been made, part of the funds were already transferred, and the remainder is in Sewport hold until the brand accepts job completion. After completion, the remainder of the funds will be withdrawn to you. Complete. All funds have been processed and withdrawn to your account. Usually it takes a couple of business days to arrive. Refunded. Something went wrong with the payment and it was returned to the payer. Cancelled. Transaction was cancelled. In the last column, you can check the sender of the payment or the brand name in this case. To download this invoice, click on this symbol, and it will automatically save this invoice in PDF format on your computer. Now let's have a closer look at the invoices. Click on the invoice that you wish to open. When it is saved in your computer, click on the file. You will see the following information on every invoice generated by Sewport. Invoice ID, date of the issue of the invoice, your details as details of the manufacturer on the left side, and customer details on the right side. Description of services, quantities, rate, price, applicable VAT, and the gross amount to be paid by the brand. The invoice includes Sewport handling fee, which is applied over the amount of the proposal that you have sent to the brand. So the amount that you will receive when you complete the job is total, including VAT, because the brand pays the handling fee to Sewport. Also, you can check aimed delivery date of the garments, delivery terms, and the date the invoice was accepted on. Now let's close the invoice and have a look at user-to-user agreements. Here you can check and view your agreements with the brands. Click on it and it will be automatically saved on your computer in PDF format. Open the file. In the user-to-user agreement or contract, you will always find the following information. Details of the parties of the agreement. On the left side, details of the manufacturer as your details. And on the right side, customer details. You can also check the user-to-user agreement terms. Here you can check any additional information on which you had agreed with the brand. The last field describes what will you provide to the brand as a proof of completion of the job. Let's check out Withdraw Info tab. Here you can add your withdraw account details, where you wish to receive the payments. First, choose Withdraw option from the scroll menu. When you complete all the required fields, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's check out Billing Information tab. Here you can add the information about your company that will be used for the invoices and user-to-user agreements with the brands. This information is required just once, and after that, it will be added to the invoices and agreements automatically.